Welcome to in front of me HUAWEI Y5p, and I'll show you how to record sounds on this device. So first you should find the tools folder, and here you'll see the default installed recorder application. Just open that, click here to allow, and here you can see the this red dot. Just to start recording, you should click here once on this dot, and as you can see, our recording started just successfully. So just here by click on the pause, you can just pause your recording here, and then also you can click here to resume just to record your sound again. And if you want to just stop the sounds, don't click here to the pause, just click here to this button. And here we can see our just previously taken recording, and you can just here just to activate this recording. Also we can just edit the recording, we can just silence the recording, we can change the speed, and also here we can share with the recording. We can set this record as a ringtone, we can rename this, delete, or just to see the details when and the size of the recording here, and all of your records you can see here within this records list. And if you want to just start the new recording, just click here once again on this red dot, and you can see here that we just get 2 recordings in our recorder apps. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.